From the deep roar of the lion to the gentle sway of the giraffe's long neck, zoos are living windows into the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Today, we're stepping inside the gates to meet some of the most fascinating residents and uncover their hidden stories. Welcome to a day among zoo animals. Our first stop, the apex predators. A lion's roar can travel up to 5 miles, and tigers aren't just hunters, they're incredible swimmers too. Next, the gentle giants. African elephants can eat 300 pounds daily, using their trunks like Swiss Army knives. Giraffe tongues reach 20 inches long and are purple to prevent sunburn. Some animals melt hearts instantly. Pandas spend 12 hours daily eating bamboo. Meerkats demonstrate perfect teamwork, while penguins transform from clumsy to graceful underwater. The reptile house reveals coiled pythons and basking iguanas, while the aviary bursts with macaws brighter than rainbows and graceful flamingos. A day at the zoo connects us with wildlife from every corner of the globe. Every habitat is part of a bigger mission, protecting species and reminding us we share this planet. So next time you visit, take a moment to really appreciate these extraordinary animals. After all, their story is part of our story.